It was around 1950, and it was the time of the doctors' plot in Russia, where Stalin thought that there were a group of Jewish doctors who were trying to assassinate him. So he killed all these Jewish doctors. And that really affected my father, the anti-Semitism of Stalin, and especially that incident really made him lose his interest in communism. And he, as I say, pulled my brother and me out of the Shalom Aleichem school. So there was always tension in my house because my mother didn't really follow my father's beliefs. And her family were not socialistic, and they were much more Zionistic. So she didn't really approve of my father's activities, and so there was always that tension in the house. And I think after that, my father kind of mellowed in his beliefs, kind of went over to the more traditional and conventional beliefs of my mother and her family. My father was not religious. He was a-religious, even though, as I say, he came initially as a Hebrew teacher and had been a yeshiva bacher in Romania. But he did not believe in traditional Judaism. In fact, when my brother was Bar-Mitzvah, which he was, again because of my mother's influence, my father didn't even attend, which was a big thing. He stood sort of outside in the hall until it was over.